Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Android customization, specifically focusing on how to install and optimize Lawnchair Launcher on any non-rooted Android phone. This isn't just any launcher. Lawnchair brings the incredibly sleek and user-friendly experience of the Google Pixel launcher, but with a powerhouse of customization options under the hood. What's even more exciting is its impressive Android 16 support. But before we jump into the video, I have some truly exciting news for our incredible global audience. We understand that not everyone's first language is English, and we want to make our content accessible to absolutely everyone. That's why I'm thrilled to announce that our channel now features YouTube's automatic dubbing feature. It means if you don't understand English, you can now watch our videos in your local native language. Now back to the video. Go to video description and download the launcher from the video description. Once the Lawnchair APK file has finished downloading, open your phone's default file manager or Files app. A system prompt will appear, asking if you want to install the application. Tap Install. The installation process should be very quick, usually just a few seconds. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Lawnchair Launcher. While it mimics the Pixel, Lawnchair takes it several steps further. You gain granular control over almost every visual element. Choose from various icon styles, from squircles to circles, and precisely adjust their size to your preference. Adjust the number of icons in your dock, their size, and even add a background or change its transparency. Bored of the default icons? Lawnchair fully supports a vast array of icon packs, available on the Google Play Store. This allows you to completely overhaul the visual theme of your device to match your personal style. Choose between horizontal or vertical scrolling, and organize your apps with different grid sizes. A highly efficient search bar at the top or bottom of the drawer allows for lightning-fast app discovery. And there you have it. You've not only installed Lawnchair Launcher, but you've also unlocked a world of customization and brought Android 16 level polish to your non-rooted Android phone. Enjoy the enhanced performance, the beautiful aesthetic, and the incredible flexibility that Lawnchair offers. We'd love to hear from you. What's your absolute favorite feature of Lawnchair Launcher? Let us know in the comments section down below. And remember, for our international viewers, don't forget to check out the automatic dubbing feature. It's there to make sure everyone can enjoy our content. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.